Yeah, she's so literate and I'm an idiot. Inside I'm screaming, trying to build the courage up to ask her what she reading. I wonder if she noticing me too when I walk past. If we got to talking, oh boy, I know I fall fast. Yeah, I keep on seeing her around, but nobody knows her name. She a ghost inside this town, time slows down. You hit the clock, my move, trying to think of what to say that isn't creepy or rude. I won't intrude, someday soon I'll get a chance. The highlights of my life are never according to plan. Now I'm watching you leave, pull your coat over your sleeves. I wish this ended different, but it's never been a breeze. But wait, you left your book on the bench. I go run and pick it up and try to see where you went, but you were gone in a flash and I'm alone in the street. Maybe you'll come back tomorrow, keep it safe until we meet. My oh my, what a day it's been. Spent too much on the march to stay my shape. My oh my, what a fool I am. Struck by fate, so I'll wait for your return. I went to bed early, I woke up earlier the next day. Been trying to eat healthier, but I'm still getting these chest pains. Whip a couple eggs, place your book on my bed. Then I'll hop onto my bike, but make a stop on the way. Yeah, my favorite cafe, got lemon loaf on display. Really hope you're not picky, cause I could eat this every day. Been waiting for this, now it's crunch time. Walking to the party, see you sitting in the sunshine. You look over at me as I'm getting closer. Sit down on the bench and take my bag off of my shoulders. Take out what you missing, but I ask you if it's yours. Instantly give me a hug, I never felt one as warm. Then I remember the loaf, and so I hand you a slice. Someone zone out for a moment as you taking a bite. Yeah, miraculous things, straying from walks in the mud. As it started to rain, I started falling in love.